Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In today's lecture, I will talk about what is noun and what is pronoun. In previous lecture, I talked about parts of speech. Today's lecture, I will talk about one by one. So look at the noun. What is noun? Ism. So noun is derived from Greek word. It is derived from a Greek word. It is not an English word. The word noun is not an English word. It is derived, निकला हुआ है, from Greek word. यूनान के लफ्ज़ से निकला हुआ है. Which one? Nomen. Nomen से निकला हुआ है, जिसकी मानी है name, noun. So the word noun is derived from a Greek word nomen, which means name. So now look at the definition. A noun is a word. It is a word which used as the name of place, person, thing or idea. So it is a word which is used for the name of person, place, thing or idea. So the noun word is actually a name of different thing. So all are, second definition, all naming words are nouns. Those which we are looking at different names, so those names are called noun. Look around yourself, you will see in a room there will be a fan, a door, a window, a chair, a table and so many things. So these all things are nouns. So look at the example here. It is used for person, place, thing and idea. So for person, boy, girl, Ali, Sarah, these all are names. So these are nouns. Place, these are also names. Also called nouns. City, village, college, etc. These are names. So it considered noun. Things, car, pen, book, etc. These all are names. So these are nouns. Idea. It is something which we cannot touch, but we can feel it. Peace. War. We cannot touch war. So it is something which is abstract. And honesty. We cannot see the honesty of a person, but we can feel it. When we deal with someone, so we feel that the man is honest. But the honesty is not a thing which is looking around you, like a chair. So it is something imandari. So now coming toward the pronoun. What is pronoun? Ismi zamir. In Urdu we call it ismi zamir. Urdu में हम इसको ismi zamir कहते हैं. Pronoun. Pro means for, and noun means names. जो names के लिए इस्तेमाल हो जाए उसको हम pronoun कहते हैं. So pronoun means for names. जो words हम names की जगह इस्तेमाल करते हैं उसको हम pronoun कहते हैं. Look at the definition. Pronoun is a word, ये एक लफ्ज़ है, used इस्तेमाल होता है instead के बजाय of noun. Noun के बजाय हम ये अल्फाज इस्तेमाल करते हैं, इसको हम pronoun कहते हैं. To avoid के बचा सके, क्या बचा सके? To avoid मना करे. Repetition of noun. नाउन को बार बार आने से बचा सके, नाउन को बार बार आने से मना करे, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Pronoun. For example, I am writing an essay on a great leader Allama Muhammad Iqbal or Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is a great leader. I am talking an essay about him that Qaid-e-Azam was born on that. He was a great leader. He did his degree from that place. So I am using he, so that he is called pronoun. Look at the example. For example, Ali is absent. Here it is name, noun. But in place of Ali we are using he because he is ill. वो आज गैर हाजिर है क्योंकि वो बीमार है. Ali आज गैर हाजिर है क्योंकि वो बीमार है. That वो is called pronoun. So he, she, it, I, we, you, they, his, him, her, them, us, many more, etc. are pronouns. So pronoun has different cases. and we will discuss these cases in the next level, not in this level. So if you have any question, you can write in comment section, like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot for your time.